Why, hello! Did not see you there. That's all I got. So the first piece of news is that I have a new chair. I'm very excited about it. It's a good chair. It is not just like a solid block of wood for me to sit on for like 50% of my waking hours. But that is probably not what you are here for today. You are probably here for the Zodiac sign transformation. Yes, the long awaited by literally just me and maybe my sister. I have been very excited to start this, so that was as far as my brain went as far as talking planning. Gonna be honest, I am a little bit tired today. Not a whole lot of energy, not a whole lot of creative juju going on in my life, but hopefully this Zodiac sign transformation will help bring out a little bit of that in me. That's right, today we are doing a Pisces transformation. Now, originally I wanted to start with my zodiac sign, which is Libra. I mean, technically I'm on the cusp of Libra and Scorpio because I'm like born on the very last day of Libra season, and on some calendars it's like thought of as like Scorpio season by then. Those calendars are wrong, but I still like Scorpio better, so I like to associate myself with them. But I figured, since it's Pisces season, and y'all Pisces bitches seem to be very insistent on letting everybody know that it is Pisces season. Literally everywhere on social media, every Pisces is posting, oh my gosh, it's Pisces season, and I'm out here like, we know. I am going to start with Pisces. Now, after about 3 seconds of research that I did at like 2 in the morning last night, what I have learned about Pisces is 1. Water, 2. The color blue, 3. Creativity. Now, for the most part, that lines up with my preconceived image of Pisces, just like the Pisces that I know. All of the Pisces that I know are creative. All of the Pisces that I know are emotionally intelligent and very caring. But I also feel like there's an edge to Pisces. Like, all of the Pisces that I know have just like... So what I'm thinking for this outfit is, first of all, there's going to be a lot of blue. Second of all, there's going to be a little bit of an edge to it. But third of all, and most importantly, just creative, artsy. I'm just going to run with that stereotype and see what happens. It's probably going to be great. Might be terrible, but like, it's for science, and for fashion, and for fun, and stuff, and... Cheers! Let's go. Okay, so first of all, I had to pick out what clothes I was gonna wear. I was gonna need a lot of blue, but luckily my closet is, although a little bit messy, color coordinated, which means we are all set. Now, I have quite a bit of blue clothes, so I had a lot of outfits to try on, but I knew initially that I wanted to use this jacket with the paint on the back because it was just super artsy and fun, but after that I just tried a few more outfits to see what worked. Didn't end up using any of them because they all were a little bit weird, but you know, it works. Alright, I have not picked out an outfit yet, but I am pausing on that for now because I know what I want to do with my makeup. First of all, I'm gonna prime. I've got my hydrating primer. I feel like it's very appropriate, which is great because this is the only primer that I have. I'm just gonna pop like this much on. I don't know, I'm not a makeup artist. And now I'm gonna take this purple highlighter, put it underneath. Don't know if that'll do anything. I'm probably gonna end up putting it on top again. Just pop it like that. Blend it out. And now I actually do not have a foundation at the current moment. I don't know how that happened, but where did it go? I don't know. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking my concealer and mixing it with my moisturizer. Don't ask me how I got here because I don't know either. Mixed up, gonna apply it to my face, see how it works. Then I'm just gonna take the extra on beauty sponge, not a beauty blender because I am cheap like that. And I'm just gonna apply it to my face. I've got a little bit left on my hand, so I'm just gonna... And now we are just gonna pop some concealer on over this because we still have acne and the foundation is just not doing it for us. Is it perfect? No, because I am a fucking human being. Is it better? Yes. Alrighty, up next I am just gonna slap a shit ton of blue eyeshadow all over my eyelids. It's gonna be fantastic. And I'm also gonna do my brows. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, chat. Yes. And those are the eyes. They are very cute. Ignore my dog. She gets pissed at everything. Now the last step that I want to do is lip color something, and I actually have something in mind for this. A little while back for a show I did, the director was like, okay, I want blue lipstick for y'all, and so I've got this blue lip gloss, and I was like, oh, I have to use it now! And it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so glad I was in that show, even though it was a little bit of a train wreck, and we don't talk about it in this house. Wait, I totally forgot blush. That's kind of important if I don't want to look like I'm dying. So now I'm using a little bit more of a neutral-ish, sort of blushy, tanny, sort of... What's the word for the tan thing I'm thinking of? Bronzer. Bronzer. English. Bronzer. I've got this sort of blush bronzer duo. It's not a super bright pink, so I'm hoping I won't look totally clownish when I put this on. And I do not look like a total clown. Let's go us. So here we are. Here's the finished makeup look. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with my hair yet, but I am gonna do a little bit more research because I want to see if Pisces has any sort of like masculine, feminine energy association things. I mean, we all know that the concept of a gender binary is kind of bullshit, but like, I want to know if I should dress femme or butch, goddammit. Okay, so, turns out Pisces is a more feminine sign, which means we are dressing more femme today. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair though. Well, I will figure it out later and I will show you in the next clip. So, let's see how it turned out. So that was the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun making this, so if you could comment and let me know whether or not you liked the video too, that would help me out so much. And now I gotta wrap it up a little bit fast because my computer is literally running out of battery from trying to be like a light source for me right now. Look at this baby go! But anyway, if you liked the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, look, I'm sorry. I know I just told you that the video was over, but I just had to give you a behind the scenes because this... It's a disaster! Like... Look. That's all the clothes that I whipped out, plus my clean laundry. My desk is a mess. My computer's on the floor. Like, what's happening?